In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Dropbox to N8N and set up automation in just a few simple steps. By the end, you'll know how to upload files directly to Dropbox and even trigger other actions automatically. Start by adding the Dropbox node inside your N8N workflow. If you are new, N8N is a powerful tool that lets you build automations visually, connecting different apps with ease. Once the Dropbox node is added, choose the operation you want. A common one is upload file, perfect for backing up or sharing files automatically. Next, fill in the required parameters. You'll set the file path, which tells Dropbox where to store your file, and the file content itself, whether it's a document, picture, or any other type of file. Be sure to double check this information so the upload works smoothly. From here, you can connect Dropbox to other actions. For example, after uploading a file, you can send a Slack notification or create a backup in Google Drive. This is where N8N really shines, giving you endless ways to extend your workflows. And that's it. You've now connected Dropbox to N8N and created a foundation for automating your file management. Start simple, build confidence, and then expand into more advanced automations as you go.